In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention people in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get the right eyes on the right tasks. Whether you're nudging one teammate, everyone involved with a card, or the entire board. First, open your board. Head to the Trello board where your work lives so you're in the right place to communicate. Everything we're about to cover happens right on your board, typically inside a card, most commonly in the comment box. Keeping your conversation tied to the actual task makes it easy for everyone to follow along later. To mention a specific person, type the @ symbol, then start entering their name or username. As you type, Trello will show a pop-up list of matching members. Click the correct person in that list to tag them. You'll usually see their avatar and name, which helps you avoid tagging the wrong teammate. After you post your comment, Trello sends that person a notification, so they know you're talking to them. If you don't see someone in the list, it usually means they don't have access to the board. Keep typing to narrow the results, and double-check the profile photo before you hit enter. Keep your message clear and actionable so they understand exactly what you need. If your update is relevant to everyone involved with a specific task, use the shortcut that targets just that group. In a comment on the card, type @card. This alerts everyone currently assigned to, or watching, that card. It's great for focused updates, like deadlines, blockers, or approvals, because it reaches only the people who are directly connected to that task. Think of it as a precise way to loop in the whole mini-team without notifying the rest of the board. For broader announcements that truly affect the entire project, use @board. Type @board to notify every person who has access to that board. This is powerful, so use it thoughtfully. Perfect for things like major timeline shifts, critical policy changes, or anything that everyone needs to see right away. It won't notify people who don't have access, and it respects existing permissions. To recap, open your board, tag individuals with @ plus their name, and select them from the pop-up. Use @card to reach everyone tied to that task, and use @board for board-wide updates. Keep your messages concise, add context where needed, and choose the smallest audience that gets the job done. That way, your mentions are clear, respectful, and effective.